Weston here. I made a video a little while ago on my totaled 99 Mazda Miata, and I figure I'll give you a little update on it. Here she is now. Not looking so wrecked anymore. So I took the car finally to my buddy Ryan. I had him fix it all for me, and I mean he did killer work. That all used to be pushed in. The headlights were all cracked. All the gaps are perfect with it. I don't know if you can tell, but all the gaps are just perfect with it now. There's a little bit of a gap there, but I mean, you can't really tell. A little one right there. Everything looks perfect. Everything is painted perfect. New windshield, new steering wheel, new airbag, all that fun stuff. Let me go ahead and pop the hood here real quick. So before, this was all crushed. Hold on, let me just get this up. Put that right. Of course, I don't know where it goes. Anyhow, before, it was all crushed. It was all pushed in. This whole piece is all new from Mazda, all welded in, perfect. New headlights. Well, they're used new headlights to me. Let's see, big fat radiator. Engine's looking dirty as can be, but other than that, it's about ready to go. So, the side shot before that was all crushed and damaged. It's all looking perfect now. So, I currently only have one radiator fan because the other one got hit in the accident. So, I gotta do something about that. I still gotta put a receiver dryer and an AC condenser in it. And then from there, I think we're gonna go ahead and get the enhanced inspection because I did have it totaled by the insurance company in order to get the money for it, which I honestly think is worth it in the long run. And once we go ahead and get the enhanced inspection, I'm gonna go ahead and do a turbo setup on it, I believe. That's the plan we'll see. Get the ball rolling here. I'm just so glad. I've had this car for 3.5 years now, and it's been wrecked for a year and a half. And it is now finally just all perfect again. I mean, the engine looks awful, but this just looks like it never was wrecked, honestly. So let's go ahead and show this hood here. That just fell down. But I mean, just closed, tight. It's not loose. It's perfect. Absolutely perfect. I am so stoked. Like I said, I am so sorry. My garage is a freaking mess. But I figured I'd just go ahead and give a little update of what the car looks like. And I'll go ahead and link down below what it looked like when it was wrecked.